For the first few days, I feel a bit swelling and pain on my face. The Smart FUE technique actually amazed me because the whole process was very comfortable and painless. I was in a sitting position and I was not sedated. That means I'm awake during the whole procedure. Professor Dr. Jas and his team were doing the procedure for me. I was awake the whole time. It was very painless and I didn't even feel that they were doing the procedure. For the first few days, I feel a bit swelling and pain on my face. But after a few days, the swelling subsided and the healing process was very fast. Today is day 7 of the beard transplant. Now I don't feel any pain or swelling anymore.